Hi guys, how to factory reset Windows 10 or 11? Is your PC running slow, crashing, or full of errors? What if you could make it feel brand new again in minutes? Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 10 step by step, safely and easily. Now first of all, press the Start button and keyboard and search settings and open this. Then you see the left side down search, click on it. And top search reset. And down press the reset this PC. After that you see the get started, click on it. And click the remove everythings. And this UNE select. I press the local reinstall. And down press the next. And press the reset to run. And that's it, your Windows 10 is now factory fresh. All those bugs and errors, gone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick PC fixes. See you in the next one to keep your computer running smooth.